technology keeps advancing, we keep asking, are humans and technology drifting apart?
In 2016, these 80 red stars lit up the night sky over China.
The sky became a stage for the first time. We brought drone flights into city skylines. Rooted in safety, we stretched the boundaries of imagination.
3、2、1，起飞！
From dozens to tens of thousands in the air. From manual hauling to fully automated swarms. We broke through with technology, iterated swarm intelligence, reshaped the future. Pushing physical limits, using digital light to paint a shared beauty of all things. With low-altitude media, we make the sky far more than just space. With autonomous flight perceiving the world, we build a panoramic scenario matrix, bringing humans and technology no longer apart. From China to the world, we restore warmth to technology and keep the sky an extension of human dreams. A decade of dedication leads us to one answer. Let technology embrace the beauty of the world and unleash imagination into the sky.
祝大木大10周年快乐！10周年快乐！10周年快乐！10周年快乐！
10 years DAMODA!